mobile cameras in all my life like in this area. You know, I'm talking a radius of probably 300 kilometers. Queensland. Crazy. I lived in Victoria, went through, you name it, all Australia, lived overseas for many years, Europe, 3 times around the US on my Harley, been to Canada, forget about Africa and India, been there as well, never seen Asia as well, never seen so many mobile cameras, so many speed cameras like here. Crazy. Not even in Qatar. And at least in Qatar they're more fair. You can see them. They tell you where they are. Unbelievable. That's road safety. Because that's a deterrent, ladies and gentlemen. A deterrent. That's what I would like to say to our friends, cops. You know, not state revenue. That's my opinion again. You know. I'm sorry I keep talking. I know you guys want to only relax and hear the noise and watch the road and the landscape, see the surroundings. I gotta let it out. Frustrating. I would say we'll have a chat again in a couple of weeks, I guess, guys. Probably, hopefully, I will be in a different mood. Nothing arrived. Well, the operation manager will now call me in for a debriefing. Although I already told him that I suspect I might have to quote speed fine. Beautiful truck. Look at this. Beneath Southern Cross. Wow. Tanda. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. There it is, guys. What the hell? Living the life. L means learner. Outlied. So people don't have the license yet. I think they can still drive with someone who has the license for more than 1 year next to them. And then once you get the license, you have a P, and I think at the beginning you have a P, a green P, and then a red P, and then after you become a bit more senior, you get a green P. Not sure. The rules are constantly changing, and they're stricter and stricter. You remember, my lovey-dovey is my partner is getting her motorbike license this weekend, and I remember when I got mine. About 17 years ago, I just got the L and went riding with no one around me, next to me. Now the rules are all changed. You have to take this course. You can only ride with a learner permit with someone next to you, so another biker, experienced rider. And then you have to go for another course, and then you can go on your own. So wow, something like that. And this is due, of course, due to more accidents, I guess. Statistics, numbers, but fair enough. So, which is good. That means that people, riders, learners need more, or people in general need to be more educated about road rules, about riding conditions, wet, gravels, especially motorbikes. All that stuff, and also looking out for the others, because usually when you're on a motorbike, people in general have difficulty seeing you because the exposure of a bike is not much on the road. The presence, the physical presence is not much.
After 350 meters, turn left at the roundabout, taking the first exit.
Oh, next time I want to show you something else. There is a trick here that it's only allowed for truckies and trucks. I just missed it, damn it. So we'll show you next time. Basically, on along the freeways and exits, there are certain service roads that are only accessible for trucks. So there is a big sign, red sign, that it's forbidden entry, you know, no access, no entry. And small printing beneath the sign, it's written except trucks. And that's so cool. It's like kind of a private area just for us. Feels like a niche. Powering through. So before, you probably noticed I went through, I'm not sure because I was focusing in front, but I went through probably a red light or just about to turn red. And well, there is my bad judgment, you know, was going too slow because freaking out with the speed cameras and looking around instead focusing on the road. And also, once you're getting heavier on the load, if the light turns yellow, well, you either sure what you're doing about stopping the truck, otherwise it's better to power through, because if the load is not properly restrained, it can come all the way in the front of the truck. It can create a lot of issues. But anyway, it comes with experience. I made a mistake there. Oh, this is 4.2, I have to lower, otherwise we're gonna hit the 711. And we don't want that. So yeah, I guess it comes with experience. So I made a risk assessment mistake there, wrong judgment call, and hopefully will not happen again. Very tight here. Just now there is this ball here. Go nice and close, so that will bring me straight. And look at that as well. On the other mirror we're very close, and the rear mirror as well, very close to the edge, but we are in position for a target. All right, last one. Forgot to put the hazard lights on. I don't always like to put this vegetable on. Bloody hell. Damn it, forgot my gloves. Next will be the tip, so we're gonna offload our precious cargo. everyone driving. No one wants to cook food anymore nowadays. And then the bloody complain that they put on weight. Don't even know how to shop anymore these days, eh? Maybe people are just tired, hard working all week. They just want to relax, have a bit of a treat, which is nice. Like my beautiful love made me discover these grilled burgers. Oh man, divine. Once in a while, but I guess this weekend I will do the same. Not driving. I like to sit and enjoy the food. Not driving. Or maybe these people are taking the food home. Who knows?